Easy peasy. Converting percents to fractions. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of numbers, focusing on a particularly important topic: converting percents to fractions. This is a key skill in mathematics and can help us in many real-life situations like shopping, calculating discounts, baking, and more. Let's get started. Before we delve into converting percents to fractions, let's first understand what a percent is. A percent is simply a way to express a number as a fraction of 100. For example, if you have 50%, it means you have 50 out of 100, or half. The symbol percent is used to indicate percent. Now that we know what a percent is, let's make sure we also understand fractions. A fraction is a way of expressing a quantity in terms of a part of a whole. The top number, the numerator, represents the part, and the bottom number, the denominator, represents the whole. Now to the meat of our lesson, converting percents to fractions. Here is the easy, two-step process. 1. Step 1. Write the percent as the numerator of a fraction with the denominator as 100. For example, if you have 50%, write it as 50/100ths. 2. Step 2. Simplify the fraction. To do this, find the greatest common factor, GCF, of the numerator and the denominator and divide both by this number. Using our example, the GCF of 50 and 100 is 50. So, 50 divided by 50 gives 1, and 100 divided by 50 gives 2. So, 50% as a fraction is 1/2. The best way to get comfortable with this process is to practice. Try converting the following percents to fractions: 25%, 75%, 60%. Here, we pause while learners try to convert these percents to fractions. The answers are: 25% equals 25/100ths equals 1/4. 75% equals 75/100ths equals 3/4. 60% equals 60/100ths equals 3/5. That's all for today's lesson on converting percents to fractions. With practice, you'll be able to do these conversions quickly and confidently. Remember, this is not only useful in academics but in your everyday life as well. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.